Hey, what's up, everybody? Cledus Judd here at Bill Cole Subaru. Got my man Steve here. What's going on, son?
How you doing, sir?
Working like a dog?
Yeah, always.
Man, tell us about this thing. One thing I didn't realize about the Subaru Outback, you said there's 9 different models of this thing?
Yeah, there's actually 9 different trims of Outback. This is a loaded limited. It's pretty much up near the top tier.
Really?
There's only a couple things it doesn't have, yeah. It's a 6th generation of the Outback. They've been out almost 30 years. I think next year will be 30 years they've been out here in America.
Wow. All-wheel drive, the whole thing, right?
Yeah, all symmetrical, all-wheel drive, all the safety, the steering responsive LED, auto-dimming lights, your blind spots, your reverse braking, rear cross traffic.
Man, you were saying something, we were talking to Josh just a minute ago, if you start, what's that called when you start to hit a curb?
Active torque vectoring.
I can't even spell that, so I'm not going to get into it. But basically, tell them what that means, Steve.
Well, basically, it'll just brake one of the inner tires on a turn to help keep you in your intended path. Like it'll give it a little bit of brake pressure.
I have just found the car for my wife right here, because every car we got and every wheel on it's curb rashed all to pieces. So show them a little bit about that interior, and then we'll get out of here.
Yeah, a lot of safety, a lot of nice things. This is the two-tone ivory. I don't know if you guys can see inside of it.
Oh, yeah.
But it's got built-in Navi, driver distraction, heated front back seats. 12-way power driver, 8-way passenger. Pretty loaded up. Power gate, all that neat stuff.
Anytime when the salesman says Navi, you got to come down here and get you one, all right? So y'all get on down here, Bill Cole Subaru, sweet vehicle. This man right here will take care of you. Thank you, pal.
Thank you.
See you guys.